As we move on to the fourth, and we are at the half point of the presentations with Katharina from Precious Plastic and Alicia.
My name is Katharina from Precious Plastic. I'm actually from Germany, one of the quite international Precious Plastic team. So you probably know about the big plastic issue. There's about 300 million tons produced a year, half of which goes into disposable products, and only less than 10% of this plastic waste is being recycled. And the industry doesn't seem to do a lot about it. And for people like us, it's not really easy to just start something. So Precious Plastic is trying to come up with solutions here, providing equipment and the knowledge and infrastructure for people to actually start. So that means they want to reduce the waste and the amount of the demand for new plastic by enabling people to actually do something about it. It all starts with these 4 machines, which are developed in a way that it's easy to build them with lower budget and basic tools and components which are available all over the world, basically, making it as accessible as possible for everyone all over the world. Then we have the techniques, which we try to work on, like what can you actually do with plastic? This is from crafting with very super basic tools up to making high precision products with really advanced technology. And with these recycling precious plastic machineries, you can create a big variety of products. You could basically do anything, but we also want to find out what products actually make sense to make out of the material. So this was the hardware of the project, like what you can make, and our platforms. With our platforms, we provide the infrastructure and knowledge of how to do it and how to get started and facilitate people to actually get started, which is, for the beginning, our website, where you can learn anything from about the plastic material, how to separate it, how to prepare it, to building machines and working with them, and everything we know and learn, we share online for free. So you can just download blueprints and everything what you need and get started. Then there is the forum, where a big community of 40,000 people exchange, help each other, ask questions, answer them, and trying to push the project further from every angle of the world. Finding a solution, finding the right solutions together. Just launched end of last year is our BAZAR, an online marketplace where you can buy and sell anything from machine parts to shredded plastic to actually finished products, which makes it easier to source for the components and materials to start, but also makes people making a business out of it. And last but not least, our map, where you can put your pin as workspace, machine builder, or someone who wants to get started. And this enables people to connect to each other, to find each other, and start a business. So what you've just seen there on the map is over 200 workspaces already working with the precious plastic machines worldwide. And that's our community, which is a crucial part of the whole project, as they are expanding our team with people all over the world, designers, students, professors, environmentalists, engineers, and working on solutions and pushing the project further, improving everything from different backgrounds. So it's a very big variety of aspects which come in there. And with this community, they also come up with many outcomes depending on their different needs and contexts. So many outcomes, like coming from products which you use, or arts, or really constructing material, and also which is really inspiring for designers and artists, how to make cool structures and colors with it. So from the community, we are now coming to one showcase, which is our first precious plastic pilot. We try to learn from setting up workspaces in different areas where it's quite difficult and other conditions. We try to learn from that and improve our plans according to what we learn. And there I will hand over to Alicia from Precious Plastic in Kisii, Kenya.
Hello, I'm Alicia. So this is the current situation in Kisii County. After going around as the county youths, we realized that the plastic has so many at the dump site, and then so many youths do not have something to do. So we agreed maybe it's better to work with the United Nations Habitat, with the county government and the Kisii County youth to develop and to fabricate the machines, because the precious plastic machines are so cheap. So we were able as the youth to fabricate the machines. And we do the collection of the plastics from the streets, from the dump site. And then as a team, we do the cleaning of the plastic because they're very, very dirty, as you can all see. And then after the cleaning, we do the sorting into different types. We have several types of plastics, like with the PP, HDP, and several of them. And then we do the shredding, and then here we are making the products. So we have like 3 types of products from the 3 machines. We have like tails, bowls, and the lampshades. They're very beautiful. So all of them are made from the small machines that we have. And then maybe, so from the products, you can see we have the on-progress products whereby they're not nicely done. So those were from the beginning. But then right now, at least we are able to say we can work with plastics. And then we have nicely done lampshades. We have tiles, which you can paint your wall with, have kids play with, use them as candle holders. And then apart from making the products, we educate the community, whereby we're having students coming from primary schools, high schools, and the university students. So we're creating awareness to the community, and they're helping us to collect plastics as compared to the beginning, where we didn't have the community knowing everyone is burning the plastics, throwing the streets. And then our future objectives, we want to see the whole community doing the source separation at the site itself. We don't want them to bring us the plastics that are not sorted and not clean. We want to see them cleaning, and then we have beautiful products. So that's a bowl. As you can see, we have a very clean environment free from plastic waste. Yeah, thank you very much.